4 people have been arrested in the death of Madison Brooks.
Well, the 19-year-old LSU student and Covington native was killed after she was hit by a car in Baton Rouge. Well, now investigators say she may have been sexually assaulted before her death. Alyssa Curtis joins us now in studio with more updates on this truly horrific story.
A horrible situation that we have been keeping updates on. Today, 3 of the 4 suspects appeared in court. They're facing charges including rape before leaving Madison Brooks in the street where she was hit. Earlier in the night, Brooks and the suspects are believed to have been drinking at Reggie's, a popular bar in the Tigerland area of Baton Rouge. Now the bar is also facing consequences. At 3 a.m. on January 15th, Covington native and LSU student Madison Brooks was struck by an oncoming vehicle while she was standing in the middle of a Baton Rouge street. How did she get there? Investigators believe 4 young men left her there after she was raped. Tuesday, 18-year-olds Kayvon Washington and Kason Carver and 27-year-old Everett Lee made their first court appearance. Washington is facing charges of third-degree rape, as is an unidentified 17-year-old. Carver and Lee are facing charges of principal to third-degree rape. Their lawyers are denying the allegations. The East Baton Rouge District Attorney Hiller Moore says those charges may be upgraded to first-degree rape if they can prove 2 or more people raped her. Before we learn the charges may be upgraded, a judge set bond for 3 of the suspects. Carver's bond was set at $50,000, Lee's at $75,000, and Washington at $150,000. All 3 are ordered to be on house arrest and must wear an ankle monitor. But the 4 suspects are not the only ones being held responsible for Brooks' death. City officials spent the day trying to secure a suspension of the Tigerland bar Reggie's alcohol license, where Brooks and the 4 suspects were drinking before the incident. Metro Councilwoman Jennifer Racka said it's not acceptable that Reggie's was allegedly serving alcohol to underage people.
We could temporarily suspend, and then eventually completely suspend any licenses or permits with regard to the operating of that bar. But I think the right next step is maybe a temporary suspension.
Shortly after Racka's comment, the Alcohol and Tobacco Commission announced Reggie's license is immediately suspended. Reggie's cannot serve or sell alcohol until an emergency hearing is held next month to determine what penalties, if any, should be imposed. This isn't the first time the bar has faced a suspension. Reggie's liquor license was pulled in June of 2017 before the bar was suspended for 45 days a month later. Reggie's released a statement today saying the owner of the bar has fully cooperated with the Sheriff's Office, the State Police, and the Alcohol Beverage Control Office. The 17-year-old unnamed suspect will have his first court appearance next month. Until then, he is being held in juvenile jail.
All right, Alyssa.